All right, you guys ready for the announcement?
Yeah!
I'm coming back next year.
Yeah! Yeah!
One, two, three, 4, 5. A man of culture. This is vlog footage. Okay. We're here in Moab. Excited to go hiking. Yay. Looks like we have some sandstone right here. You can tell because of the way that it is. It's a place on the license plates here in Utah. Hey. Hey. We're in Moab with my dad and my brother Hunter. I stepped in water and I do not have any extra socks. So we're gonna iron them, dry them. Sad day.
It's very sad for you.
Update. Jamming my socks into the AC worked a lot better than the iron. What doesn't look healthy? Looks sick. It's because he's in the wilderness, I guess. "17 miles later." It was only 16.7. Yeah. Ooh. Good job, Hunter.
Yep.
Look at that.
Crazy big jump, bro.
Look, it's pretty neat.
Flip the camera.
How was that?
It was good.
Good.
I had no problems with it.
No problems from Hunter.
Lightweight.
Yeah, but I'll wrestle a gator eventually. So I will be back next year. Yeah.
I was gonna say, did Nick really lie to me?
No, Nick didn't lie.
I was actually gonna.
Now let me tell you something about the gospel and make sure that you mark it.
Oh, you're gonna pick on the poor kid.
Actually, you know, also nice to disabled people.
Jackson, how does it feel that you missed out on? Are you guys ready for an exciting announcement? I am coming back next year. Yep. What'd you eat?
Less than you, Chungus.
Jackson, what does Skibbity toilet mean?
What the Sigma?
What does that mean?
You know I'm taking pictures to you for your senior picture. I'm doing your announcements tomorrow.
How does that make you feel?
Anti-Sigma.
Quit doing
What
the
a
dumb
handsome
face.
young man.
Jackson, just get your grad photos.
Are we gonna stay here all day while we have to get these? Come on.
Kid's a sweat.
I don't think that will make the vlog, buddy.
What do you have to tell the people?
Get rich quick. Follow my pyramid scheme.
Don't worry about it.
Are you afraid of spiders, Jackson?
No, of course not. I would never be.
Now you're searching your shoes.
Why?
You guys already know what time it is. You want to be famous.
Hamburguesa con queso.
¿Dónde está la hamburguesa con queso? Sideways, sideways. This is for the vlog. ¿Dónde está la hamburguesa con queso? It's now cutting season, so only gonna be eating half grilled cheese from now on, unfortunately.
It literally said, I have a Trackhawk with and a low suspension. And mom thought that said the viewer.
Another perfect grilled cheese.
Stay in school.